Regular physical activity is one of the most important things you can do for your health. Being physically active can improve your brain health, help manage weight, reduce the risk of disease, strengthen bones and muscles, and improve your ability to do everyday activities. Here are 7 effective ways to stay fit and healthy. First, establish a regular exercise routine. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular workouts like jogging or cycling, strength training exercises, and flexibility routines such as yoga or Pilates. Next, focus on maintaining a balanced diet. Fill your plate with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while minimizing processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your metabolism, aid digestion, and keep your body functioning optimally. Ensure you're getting enough sleep each night. Aim for 7–9 hours of quality sleep to allow your body to rest, recover, and recharge. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or mindfulness to reduce stress levels and promote overall well-being. Incorporate physical activity into your daily life. Choose activities you enjoy, like walking, hiking, or playing sports, to keep you moving and engaged. Lastly, monitor your progress, set achievable goals, and make adjustments as needed to stay motivated and on track with your fitness journey. Remember, staying fit is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these 7 strategies into your lifestyle, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you.